And this is
Chef Yon, the mastermind.
no. And today we're making Rabo Encendido. It's another amazing recipe, so good.
Cuban American favors this.
Wait, what?
American, wait.
What?
Cuban?
Well, you're Cuban American, so yeah.
Yeah, and it's amazing. It's delicious. What's another word that means good stuff?
Bomb.
It's a bomb. Yeah, it's a bomb.
Bomb!
So now, for those of you that are new, we hope to bring part of our world into your kitchen. And now, the kitchen rules. So now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your working areas clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on the stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is
To check your hand.
okay.
Dum, 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 dum.
That's not correct, so let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is
Set the first bit. Oh my god, this is heavy.
what? Okay. Maybe you need to exercise a little more.
No.
So now, let's get cooking. So these are the ingredients.
Wait a minute, you mean Rabo Encendido like butt on fire? Oh, my butt's on fire! Call the butt and stick on
No, that's not what I meant.
Okay.
So we're gonna need our oxtails.
Otter tails.
Otter tail.
What does the
Oxtail?
otter say when it saw a otter being cut into little small
Pieces?
Yes.
Oh, that's a small piece.
That's a small rabo. Is it
What
a
did
chicken
it
rabo?
say? Huh?
What did it say? I don't know what.
Oh, my tails! No!
Okay.
Oh, that one is big. Ese está grande, Ian.
Sí.
Ese va a ser para mí, Ian.
So we're also gonna need our red wine. We're using
Lambrusco.
Lambrusco. It's sweet, and we want that sweet flavor in our oxtail. So pour it in.
Out of 10. Wait, no, that's a seal.
We're gonna need sason total.
And solid. First, we and black paper.
Yeah, and black pepper.
Paper.
Paper? No, black pepper.
Black paper. Black paper.
Paper?
Yes, that's
It's
paper.
stuck. Okay. So now, close it back. So we're gonna get all the air out, seal our bag.
And then we're gonna marinate it for 3 hours.
So ready? Oh wait, there's still air in here. Kidding me? Why?
That's what you want to hear. It changed colors.
Yep. So we're gonna go
Sticky,
shake.
sticky, 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 sticky. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I did not mean you, Ian.
Why never me?
We can still do you. We can still do you. You and me. Okay. So we'll see you in 3 hours.
Bye.
So now we're going to get our amazing Instapot and we're gonna put it on. Wait, turn it around. Saute. And well, yeah, saute. Now we're gonna get our rabo.
This rubber, I don't know how this guy's gonna fit in though.
No, I meant this one.
We can cut it into little pieces.
Okay. So wait, we have to put our oil. I'm gonna wait. Okay, it's on. Put our oil. And now we're gonna wait for our oil to heat up, and then we're gonna put our.
We're gonna wait for it to say hot right there, and then we're gonna put our rubber.
Yeah.
This big rubber.
No, Ian, this one.
We can still into little pieces. And we go place them back. We could give them back to the autumn. Oh my God, that's so funny.
Okay, so
It's hot, so now we're gonna put our unattended
oxtail in, and then we're gonna seal them. I'll do it.
It'll be easier if it was me.
If it was you, it would be way hard. So you're gonna lower it in and put it right there.
If you just throw it in there, you're gonna get burnt, and you do not want that.
So we're gonna wait till our meat gets brown, and then we're gonna flip them over and make sure they're brown from all sides. So these are ready. So now I'm gonna get them out and put them in my bowl. And then cover it with foil paper so all the juices can stay in.
It smells amazing.
Yep. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna cover my meat so all the juices stay in. And I put more meat in, so let's keep going.
It's auto.
Well,
Auto tails, not me. Oh, it's. Ooh, look, a leprechaun in July. Woo, woo, money,
In July?
money.
we're not in July.
January, money. You never saw the leprechaun.
Okay. So our meat is ready, so we're gonna push that aside. And these are the ingredients for our sofrito. We're gonna need 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of orange bell pepper, 1 cup of green bell pepper, 8 garlics minced. We're gonna need 1 sason Goya packet. We're gonna need black pepper, thyme, cumin, and oregano and bay leaves.
We're gonna need tomato paste. This is the
water from the can.
Yeah, we just washed it and we need that. We have tomato paste, a whisk, red sweet wine, parsley, and olives.
So now we're gonna start by putting our onion. Dang, we don't want so much of it. Now we're gonna put our green bell pepper, our orange bell pepper. Now we're gonna mix, and then we're gonna put our garlic. And then when you start smelling your garlic, you're gonna put your seasonings. But first we need to mix.
And our sason Goya.
Yeah.
No explosion.
No. So my garlic is starting to smell, so now we're gonna pour our seasonings.
We don't want to explode it, so I'm opening it for safety.
For safety.
Remember the last explosion that you did?
Yeah, it's true.
Chicken wing, hot dogs and balloons.
Now I'm gonna mix it all up. Smells so good.
Chicken macaroni, hot dogs and macaroni, cheesy macaroni.
Is it smelling good, Ian?
Oh yeah. Ian.
So I'm starting to smell all my seasonings.
Oh yes.
It smells delicious, right, Ian?
I can't wait to eat.
So now we're gonna put our tomato sauce.
I'm gonna put my tomato paste in my sweet wine.
And our tomato sauce water.
You can clean this container with the same water. Just pour a little.
Yeah, because either way it's the same thing as that.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Do that.
Okay, now you can pour your wine.
Ready? Ian? Pour it in. Were you making it bubbly? Okay. You pour it in. Okay, so now we're gonna put our olives. Go on in, my little friends.
And we're gonna let it simmer for 5 minutes. So all of the tastes can
Flavors?
combine. Yes.
And then we're gonna taste it for the salt and then put our meat. And then we'll tell you what else to do.
Because our olives already have salt.
Yeah.
So we have to make sure that it
We don't
needs
leave it salty.
We don't want it too salty.
Yeah.
Like.
We just want it.
So in 5 minutes, we'll tell you how it tastes.
So now after 5 minutes, we're gonna taste it.
Be careful, it's hot.
Boiling.
Needs more salt.
Yep.
Okay.
1
Tablespoon.
tablespoon of
Salt. Okay, just go. Mix it up a little. Get my spoon. Wait.
Oh, this is mine was the one with that.
Okay, I think that's good. Grab a little.
Better.
Okay, so Sia is ready. Now we need to add our meat.
It's auto time.
Otter time. So now we're gonna add our oxtail. There's one. It's oxtail.
And we have some parsley here for decorating.
That looks amazing. It smells.
The little one.
Oh, the little churro.
Little
Like,
So now we're gonna add some parsley on the top,
just for decoration.
so it can look delicious. Maybe all of it. So now we're gonna turn it off of saute, which you just tap the red button and get the lid.
And then, after we put on the lid,
So it's
and
locked.
then we're gonna press manual.
And we're gonna put it. Oh, it's already
25
minutes. And then when
Jinx,
it's
that guy get that says the name. I don't. Oh my God, I'm Jinx.
okay, so now when it's done, we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes so it can cook. Just like
So it can be tender.
yeah, so it can get tenderized.
And it can be easier to open the...
the
lid.
Instapot. The Instapot.
So
lid.
you need to make sure you have it on seal, right?
yeah, it says sealing.
So we will see you in 40 minutes.
40.
What? No, and meanwhile, we're gonna do our rice.
Also, my rice was rinsed. Psst, took a shower. 1 cup of rice. 1/2 a tablespoon of water.
Tablespoon.
1/2 of a cup of water. 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix. Now we're gonna put our back in. Then we're gonna press on. Then we're gonna press white rice. And then we're gonna wait for it to stop.
We're done!
Now it's time to try it.
It's so tender.
It's so juicy, so tendery.
It's so tender. The flavor is delicious. Okay, guys. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding. I hope you put a smile on your face.
And
Bye.
I hope you like this amazing Cuban recipe. This.
Yeah. Bye.